So we're going to our rooms now. We're going to room number 204. Yeah. Seven 204. So view from one end. Thank you.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
If you want to grab something to eat right now, the snack grill is now open. You can get your burgers there, chicken and stuff like that. I'm just point it to the way.
This is our view.
It's a red bin.
Alright. Yeah.
Any other questions? So they are zero. You can get the questions, okay?
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
Welcome.
Plane is coming in. So this is our view.
No, that in there is the beach.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the beach.
Hungry. You like it?
The beach, right?
So we're finally in our room.
So we'll have this.
Looks nice.
Yeah.
Fun.
See the beach, yeah? Can't see nothing more. The airport is there, right? So.
Don't know how many floors up, but
How many days?
we're on the second
You
floor.
go to the beach, right?
Yeah, dead end. That's a WestJet.
We
We
like
have
it.
people snorkeling. So we're
Yeah.
up on the boat. Man, it's pretty.
Mm.
Just imagine hearing this today.
We like it.
This is beautiful. So this is the patio. We're on the patio. It's our sea view. Very, very close.
How are this?
I don't know. We better bathroom. We didn't go around us. So we're loving it so far. This is inside the room. Here we have 2 bottles of water. I guess ice is inside. Well, no ice as yet. Our little telly.
Yeah.
I guess storage for. Whoa. I guess storage for
Strong.
drawers. So we can unpack and feel at home instead of living out of our suitcases. That's one.
I chuck my chuck off right now still.
Mr. Sexy. See?
Yeah, ready. Not shots there.
Ceiling fan, AC, bedside table, bedside lamp. Here we have the closet, iron board, iron, a little safety vault, hangers, evacuation route map. And this is the bathroom, el baño. So we have towels, tissue, zoom in. We have a little hair dryer and the shower. Yes, so we'll be staying here for the next 4 days. Oh, Jesus. It's our little getaway from everyone and everything. Some much needed relaxation and fun.
Ready?
No, I'm not.
You ready?
So that's it. So we can stay right in the room and see the ocean. Beautiful. It's lovely here, guys, to be honest. Very nice.
Go find food.
Loving it so far.
Go swim.
Again, the view. Hear that? Sounds so relaxing and nice. So we're gonna have lunch now. So we just checked in and we're gonna have some jerk chicken or pork at the grill. See you later. So we're more comfortable now in our beach gears.
Get some jerk.
So it's vacation time. Yep. So we're going on the beach, gonna take a dip now. Yep, something smells nice. Yep. Artwork. And that's artwork on the wall. You have lots of many one people. Daily entertainment, pool, dance lesson. Oh, what we have now? We have to? Look up on the beach? Nothing so. Then turn it back also. Where's our room? The on that side. So we're on the second floor. This is nice. They're sanitizing the beach chairs. Oh, music. That's the pool up there. There's a pool over there. And the bar. I don't think it's a swim up bar though. Wow. Beautiful. You can sunbathe on those. Sunbathe bed. Those are beds. Bar. Yes, it's a swim up bar. It's a swim up bar. We'll check it out later. Swim up bar.
Pool bar.
Hey, swim up bar. It's really nice here so far. Check out the sun. That's the sun. Yeah, maybe for the bar. So, yeah. We should see everybody wearing their mask. That looks rough. Look rough. So we can come out here later. Look. Yes, this is the grill.
Excuse me.
Why?
Excuse me.
And sanitizer around the corner. Thank you. He said, God so loved the world, he gave us beach. I refuse to sink. A day at the beach restores the soul. Keep calm and pretend you're at the beach. Rules are for fools. Life is better in flip-flops. Yup. Yup. I refuse to think. Live that life at the beach. Life is better and beautiful. Sandy toes and salty kisses. Those are cute.
22 in them.
So we're at the grill. Say that Cornwall. Did I eat same one, you know? Yes, so we're gonna have some lunch. We're hungry. Come with a hungry belly. This is where we're gonna sit, right at the beach side. I like the seat. I like this table. For tourists.
Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday, let's put that one later. Margarita. Alright, it's there.
Oh. Look at this one, Coral Cay.
Alright, good. This one restaurant? Why don't you go?
Yeah, we have entertainment there. Remember live band. How do you went? Sunday? Or is Saturday? Where you go? Live band. But we have entertainment over here, supposed to.
Yeah?
We're supposed to have entertainment here. I'm gonna check the board. Like it's gonna have jerk chicken.
I'm on the tourist about it.
Dinner 6 to 9:30. You do have to cut out the music while editing.
Can't wait to go check out. Yeah, go check out. When me out, I'm going to go check out and wake up.
That's a Sandals boat. The person's doing kayaking. And the fisherman going out. And the plane coming in. All happening at once. Oh, and there's a sailboat as well. Thank you. Tui. Yeah. That's a tui. So I guess that's coming from England.
Let me like with them. It's still early there, man.
Yeah, what time now? 4.
Eh?
4.
And that's it. And I'm going to 2:30.